Okay.
One time. Okay, fine. I have sex with a plushie at my mom on trips with her, so they were extended. And also, there's one more thing. One time I put the bed with her.
What the literal fuck? Do you love Monica still?
I pretend she's a bunch of game tips, just like Kissy Missy and Mommy Long.
Do you still? You don't get some milk or you belong.
Sometimes I pretend.
Yeah.
Let me say.
Do you love Monica still?
Sometimes I pretend her to be Monica's girlfriend from Friday Night Funkin'.
There,
That's the deepest, darkest secrets ever.
Oh yeah, by the way, Josh, I'm buying a katana. Yeah.
Are you gonna kill me now?
Are you still in love with Monica?
Yes.
Yeah.